Right behind you, you should see it coming down right now. There is a total of 4 staple guns, 3 of which are loaded. I'm sorry, 3 of which are empty, 1 of which is loaded. The staple guns are numbered from my right, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on. Rebecca, I'm here. Your job is to pick the 3 staple guns which are empty. We'll be using the back of my hand as the target point. My hand is in your hand. And the fairest way of doing this, Rebecca, will be for you to name a number. We'll walk towards the corresponding staple gun. And you take it off, and you put it on my hand and press down. Alright? Rebecca, once again, staple guns are 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on. Right now I tell you that you already know which staple gun to avoid. You just don't know that you know it. Name a number, Rebecca.
3.
3. Come with me. This is number 3. Take it off. Very carefully hold it in your right hand. Come with me. That is upside down. Right, great. What you'll do is that you may need to use your palm to press the lever down as well. Okay? I'll place my hand here, hold still above it, like so that other people can see it. Dangerous goal. Okay, hold still. I'll place it right around here and press down. Go. Fantastic, thank you. There's 1 down. As you know, there's only 25% that you can hit me with this staple gun. The fun comes after that. As you know, there's 3 staple guns left, 1, 2, and 4. And your chances of hitting me, Rebecca, is now 33%. Which number would you name?
4.
4. Let's go. Come with me. Here's the back of my hand. For those of you who are following, just to recap, this gun carries a 33% of her hitting me on my hand. Hold diagonally. Yeah, great. Careful. Fantastic, thank you. So 1 more down. Final decision, Rebecca, is like deal or no deal. Which number do you think is empty that you want to go for?
I think number 2.
2. Since this is the last decision, Rebecca, I'll give you a free choice now. Do you want to change your mind to go for number 1 instead of number 2? It's up to you. I'll give you 3 seconds to decide. 3, 2, and 1. Yes or no?
No.
No. Alright. Let's go for number 2, was it? 2 or 1? Take it off. Right. This is it. As you know, this gun carries a 50% chance of hitting me and perhaps paralyzing my hand at an angle. Great. Go. Fantastic, Rebecca. You missed the 1 that was loaded right around there. If you have chosen number 1 out of 4, 3, 2, and 1, this would be what would have happened. Rebecca, go ahead and take it off. Come with me. Hold still. Go. Fantastic. Big hand for Rebecca. Thank you. Rebecca, everybody. Thank her once again for not hitting me with the one that is loaded. Now,